Have you ever wondered how an entire country keeps track of all the money, goods, and services moving around every single day? At its core, an economy is simply the system of production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services in a specific region. We measure the health of this system using gross domestic product, which adds up the total value of everything produced within our borders. These four pillars represent the main ways money flows through our national system, constantly balancing supply and demand. Economists look at the big picture of national trends, while microeconomics studies how you and local businesses make choices. Economies tend to move in cycles, shifting between periods of growth and periods of cooling off over many years. Remember that these massive numbers are ultimately just a reflection of millions of individual decisions made by people like you every day. Understanding these forces helps you make sense of the news. Thanks for watching, and stay curious about how your money moves.